ultimate race. All set now, ready to race. And the race is on. AJ Special, fast to begin, rushing up is Yona mismo. Puree racing out of further outside, rushing up is Forever My Love. King Manjo ready to rumble, and NC is running at the tail of the field by about 9 to 10 lengths of the leader. Back to the leader, AJ Special, followed by Yona mismo. And running by the rail is Forever My Love. Alongside is Puree, King Manjo ready to rumble. As they race the last 700, AJ Special, Yona mismo is racing on the outside. Forever My Love. Puree racing in fourth by the rail, King Manjo ready to rumble. As they race the last 500, AJ Special, Yona mismo on the outside. Forever My Love, Puree, King Manjo as they race the final corner. AJ Special by a length and a half. Yona mismo, Forever My Love down on the inside. AJ Special, Forever My Love is running by the rail. Forever My Love is now the leader. AJ Special, and finally number 3, Forever My Love. AJ Special, Yona mismo, King Manjo, Puree ready to rumble, and NC comes last.
Okay.